Hello! In today's video I will show you how to remove the airbag from your Mercedes Class S W126. To remove the airbag on this Mercedes, you will see it's very easy. If you have a look behind the steering wheel, on each side here there's a little hole, on the other side as well. So we will need a Torx key. I'll place a little design to see what it looks like. And we need number 30. With that number 30, we'll be able to remove it. So if you have a look at mine, it's a bit long. So if I place it like that, obviously it doesn't fit. And this part is too short, so it doesn't fit either. So what you do, you turn the steering wheel in such a way that here, for instance, I can place it. So sometimes you need to play with it a little bit. Here we go, it's fitted. And now I unscrew it, okay? So I will remove this one and this one. I have now unscrewed the two screws, and you just simply pull it and it comes off. Now you will see you got that cable here, you just unclip it as well. There we go. You can see it's a 2-pin, and now you've got your airbag. To fit the new airbag on the car, it's very easy. Just clip it. The wire goes towards the bottom of the airbag. You place it where it should fit, and you tie up the screw at the back. It's as easy as that. Okay. I hope that you have liked the video, and we'll see you in the next one. Ciao.